Today we're talking about 12 middle class habits that quietly keep people poor. If you're new here, my name is Adebola Idowu. I am a qualified accountant and a certified strategist, and I love to talk about all things money and personal development. So let's get straight into the topic of today. Most middle class people work hard, really hard. They wake up early, they go to work, they pay their bills, and they just try to do the right things. But many of them spend decades running on a treadmill, never moving anywhere. And this is hugely because of some of their habits. So let's get into those habits. The first one, spending every pay rise. When their income goes up, their expenses somehow go up too. They upgrade everything. More subscription, better phone, better car, holidays. This is called lifestyle inflation. Instead of using the extra income to build wealth, they just upgrade everything. And that leaves them, broke, back to square one. Number two is financing everything. Taking loan for everything: cars, furniture, phone. I know that modern society has made debt feel normal, but we don't have to fall into that trap. The real problem is every month, you make all those payments back. You're stealing from your future self. And that's why it's important to manage debt, so you don't spend everything even before it reaches your account. Number three, focusing on income instead of assets. Most people spend their lives trying to earn more money. I need more money, more money. But truly wealthy people focus on assets. They want more assets and more assets, more assets. Assets that can put money in their pocket even when they are sleeping. Businesses, rental properties, dividend paying stocks, investment, all those things are important. Income is also important, but assets are what creates financial freedom. Number four, treating investing like gambling. Some people will spend hours researching a holiday, but they won't spend minutes researching where their money goes to. They just hear about that hot stock, or a social media tip, or, and they just invest. Really investing is boring. It is consistent. It is long-term, and that is why it works. Number five, avoiding many conversations. Many people will happily discuss politics, football, celebrity gossip, everything. But they will not talk about pensions, debt, investing, estate planning. There is complete silence when it comes to things like that. And that's why we make expensive mistakes. Number six, relying on one source of income. I cannot say this enough. If your salary stops tomorrow, what happens? You have to constantly think about building multiple income streams. That is what creates stability. But most middle class people would depend only on their employers for financial survival. Too dangerous. The next one, stop spending to impress people. Most people that are driving expensive cars, flaunting wealth everywhere just to look successful, the most times are not the wealthy people. You see, if you have a luxury car parked outside, it doesn't tell me anything about your financial situation. Most wealth is quiet. Number eight, not having an emergency fund. That's not good. Jobs may disappear, car may break down, things may come up. Without an emergency fund somewhere, all these things can become crisis. Number nine, saving but not investing. Saving is important, I agree. But know also that inflation erodes the purchasing power over time if your money is just sitting in your bank account. But money invested in productive assets has the potential to compound for years. And the difference between saving and investing becomes enormous over a long period of time, say a decade or two. The next one, waiting for the perfect moment to start. Waiting to start a business, waiting to start investing, waiting to learn a skill, waiting. Most successful people, they start even before they feel ready. Number 11, trading time for money forever. There are only 24 hours in a day. No matter how hard you work, there is a limit to how much time you can sell. Wealth starts building faster when your money, your systems, your assets begin to work for you. And now, this is the biggest one. Habit number 12, believing that serious wealth cannot happen for you. Believing is for other people. That mindset quietly destroys your financial future. When you think that wealthy people are simply lucky, they're just smarter, it's because they were born into certain circumstances or better circumstances. And when you see people that talk like this, they argue it strongly. They believe it. And what that means is that it stops them from acting. It stops them from taking, calculated risks. They just stay stuck in their own routine, forgetting that Even if you don't earn a lot, but you set aside a small amount of money, say £200 every month, consistently, and you're learning new skills, you're building a side income, you're choosing asset over liabilities, your financial future can grow better than someone not doing anything. And you see all these things I mentioned, they don't look exciting today. When you're, investing, learning new skill, and they don't look exciting. Give it 10 years, give it 20 years, and you will see how it can completely transform your financial future. So it's not about, income, it's about the habits. If you fix some of these habits, money will follow. And if you recognize yourself in some of these habits I have talked about, don't worry. Most of us learned these things growing up. The good news is that habits can change. And when habits change, our lives begin to change as well. If you watched this and you think, I am finally going to start my investing journey, I want to start putting a small amount of money somewhere, where it can grow, and you want to be coached through this process, step by step, in consideration of your own personal financial situation, check out the link in the description box. That's the link to our personal coaching services. And yeah, check that out. And if you love this video, you will also love my next video on the screen, where I talked about why you're stuck and why it may be different from what you think. And I'll see you in that video.